Hi friends, welcome back to what's probably going to be one of the quickest unboxings I've ever done on my channel because I have a friend that's coming over and I need to film this video. So, hi, it's been a minute, but I am here to unbox my March OwlCrate for the month, which I'm very excited about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right in. I'm also going to address the elephant in the room that I have a red fish tank over there now. It's been a minute since I've sat down to film a video, but for those of you wondering, the water is not purposefully red. I'm dealing with tannus in a new fish tank. So if you guys have any recommendations on how to deal with tannus, I'm doing water changes on a pretty regular basis, but yes, the water is not purposefully that color. It's being dyed. So my fish and my frog are fine. I have three new little fish and a miniature dwarf frog, which are great. But yeah, currently not too fun. So, okay, opening the box for this month. I have actually no idea this month what the book is going to be, and I totally forget what the theme even is, so this will be fun for both of us. Okay, so, this is cute. So this is the card, and this one's theme is of witches and wonder. So I'll hold on to this as always. First thing we have in here is a super cute box with like these little pots and cooking things on it. And this says, to celebrate the unique beauty found in each of the 4 seasons, we created a special limited collection of drinkware designed by artist Makerna Chomik. I apologize if I'm mispronouncing that. Our tribute to springtime and its lovely blooms is in this stunning tumbler featuring a quote from Sylvia Plath. Awesome. That's super cool. Let's see what this looks like. So I'm guessing they're going to do a collection like with the 4 seasons. Oh, that is stunning. Look at that. So this one says, cheers for spring, for life, for a growing soul. I love this. That's beautiful. Okay, obsessed with that. Okay, next we have a pencil case bookmark holder. Oh, that's cool. This says, keep your treasured bookmarks safe in this handy fabric pouch. First, perfect for storing bookmarks at home or taking them on the go. How cute is that? And it says, magic is desire made real. That's beautiful, and it's squishy and soft, and that's super fun. Love that. Okay, next we have of course, the little pin that says magic has consequences, which is like a little bubbling cauldron. How cute is that? Okay, next we have something in a little brown box, and this looks like, it smells really good. I wonder if it's like a rollerball, like perfume, you know what I mean? Ooh, okay. Yeah, so this is an OwlCrate exclusive perfume oil. So it's got blackberry, sage, and cypress, and it's by Fiction Bath Co. It looks like it's leaking just a little bit, but it smells amazing. Oh, that smells so good. It kind of has more of like a fall scent to me, so I'll probably wait till then to use it, but that smells amazing. Okay, next we have, there's a little witch in all of us. Add a bit of magic to your morning brew with this tea bag rest. It keeps your tea bag, tea ball, or spoon tidy while you've got your nose in a book. Cute. I love their branded folders and stuff now. It's so cute. Oh, that's adorable. And this says, there's a little witch in all of us. That's so cute. Oh, I love that. That is adorable. Okay. This is a really, really good box, may I say. Okay. Next, we have a little bookmark that's just, let's see. Oh, it's like a challenge, the reading challenge for OwlCrate. So it's got different quotes based on the letters for OwlCrate, and then you fill it in on the back. How cute. I love that. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, one big thing it looks like. Oh, that's really pretty. So this is a notebook. Look at that art. and it says The Magician on it. That's stunning. Oh, it's a little sketch pad. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love that. That's super cute. Wow, the art on that is stunning. That's really pretty. Okay, and now for the book. Oh, okay. I did kind of think it was going to be this, but I wasn't sure. So this is Sweet and Bitter Magic by Adrienne Tooley. Super cute. The cover is beautiful. And let's see. Oh, it's got purple edges. Oh, that's beautiful. I love when they do the sprayed edges on it. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite. Okay, let's see. So this is like a witch magic type of story. They didn't change the cover too much. If you can see, the OwlCrate one's a little bit darker than the original, but this is stunning. I really don't know a whole lot about this one. Let's see. Let's look real quick at the description on the inside. Okay. So this says, it's okay, so they're about witches. She's exiled. Let's see. She's cursed with the inability to love. That's right. Okay. So then there's a love bargain. Interesting, with two girls. Okay, so this is a sapphic romance. That's right. Okay, so yeah, this is a witch sapphic romance. Not typically my normal cup of tea, but this is just so pretty. I'm just gonna have to try it out. And it's not too long too, which is good. So I'm excited for this. This should be really good and fun. So that is everything I got this month in my March OwlCrate box. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, let me know down in the comments below what you guys are reading. I love to find out what you guys are up to. It's my favorite. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Subscribe to see more of my face. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!